Joel Clayfish here from the Provider Midwest Kitchen. Have we got an awesome recipe for you today? Smoked bacon-wrapped wild turkey. Check it out. So the first thing I do is take my turkey breasts and throw them overnight in a bag, just a Ziploc bag with some soy sauce and Napa Valley olive oil. So that's the first thing I want to do. And then I'm going to use the fowl rub on one of them, and then I love Droptine on wild turkey. The beauty of putting the rubs on before you put the bacon is that bacon's going to cover them and it's going to seal them. And when the fat from the bacon renders in, it will literally push that spices and rubs into the juices of the meat, and it's going to be unbelievable. Spices on. So we're going to set our Traeger to 300 and throw these on the grill right in the center. Beauty of the Traeger, we got an internal temp right at 159, 160. Everything is completely cooked. Take it off, let it rest. That's the key. And just that easy, you can have Provider rubbed bacon wrapped wild turkey from the field to the table. Josie's going to be in the field next week with her first ever turkey tag, so I figured, why not try it before you buy it? Let me know what you think.
That's pretty good.